हेलो गाइस, मैं अभी गाड़ी वॉश करता हूँ। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। आज हम गाड़ी बहुत गंदी हो गई है और हम ये गाड़ी को धोने जा रहे हैं। चलो गाइस चलते हैं।
Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. You've been lied, but the stars never lied to. Tell them all, right beside you, right beside me. You could be happy. Astrology is not part of me. It's something about that night sky. Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to.
बाबा मैं
वरती टाक.
Fill it up, go rocket my ship, shoot it up, it's
बाबा मैं
so I did. I feel so bright, hit the lotto. Got a bad feeling, shine in the sky we both.
हेलो गाइस, मैं अभी गाड़ी वॉश करता हूँ।
Sky we both need it. Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. You've been lied, but the stars never lied to. Tell them all, right beside you, right beside me. You could be happy. Astrology is not part of me. It's something about that night sky. Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. You've been lied, but the stars won't lie to. Coming down, been high for 2 days. Hit the ground, don't hear what they say. Come around, forget your mistakes. Then you come back with the bottle. Got a bad feeling, shine in the sky we both need it. Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to.
पैंट तुमने उल्टा पहना है क्या? धीरे धीरे. चल नहीं.
Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. You've been lied, but the stars never lied to. Tell them all, right beside you, right beside me. You could be happy. Astrology is not part of me. It's something.
गाइस, ये गाड़ी वॉश हो गई है। ये देखो, देख सकते हो आप। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब। बाय गाइस, थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस। मम्मा ने मस्त करी पुलाव बनाया है, ये देखो गाइस।